Yes.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's vlog, I will be showing you all about hydroponics. And finally, all the components of our hydroponics have arrived, and I'm going to explain the first step of hydroponics. And hydroponics is actually a growth method of growing plants and vegetables without soil, just purely based on water. So right here, I have the hydroponics. We have the first set of our hydroponics. Actually, we have few more over here, which I will be showing later on in a separate vlog. And we have the solution, the fertilizer for the fruits, and the fertilizer for the, this is for the fruits, and this is for the vegetables. And we also have the most important thing for the hydroponics is the water tester, to test the quality of the water. And of course, we have the Rockwool, and we have the bed for the seeds where we put the Rockwool, and we have the seeds over here. I bought some mixed lettuce seeds and pechay. So now, I will be showing you the first step of hydroponics. This is the first step. We have the bed and the Rockwool, and of course the seeds. I have some mixed lettuce again and the pechay, and of course we need some water. So this is actually a lot for a trial, so we don't want to have 200 or plenty of vegetable in one grow. So what I need to do is I just need 3 parts of this, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. That's about 1 row of the hydroponic, 1 layer of hydroponic. So I only need this for a start, and what we need to do is just soak the Rockwool completely with water. And as you can see, before I start soaking it, as you can see, the Rockwool have hole in the middle. This is where we put all the seeds. Normally, we have to put 2 or 3 seeds inside to be sure that something will grow. Okay, so let's soak it. Soak it completely, and you can throw away all the excess water later on. So the whole process will take about 40 days until harvest, if you're lucky. Actually, we forgot to buy the one you use for seeds, because this is very tiny. So this is the seeds for the pechay. The seeds for the pechay. It's very tiny, so I'm only going to put 2 or 3. Here, goes in. So you just have to remember, pechay is on the right. Anyway, you will find out the difference later on when the leaf starts to come out. And the rest I'm going to use for the mixed lettuce. I have the mixed lettuce here. Interesting. So the seeds, I want to show you how it looks like. It doesn't look like a seed, it looks like oh my god, it's a lot. This is how the lettuce seeds looks like. So this is the seeds. So it has a zip lock. It's protected except for this one.
Wait, I'll take something.
Toothpick maybe.
For sure this works.
Just want to make sure that the seed goes inside completely. I'm so excited. I will update you every week. So all we need to do is, after doing this, all we need to do is place this bed in a warm place, in a warm area. So if it's warm, it's easier for the seeds to germinate. Normally, if you buy some bed like this, they also provide you a cover. But here in the Philippines, it's warm enough. You don't need to cover. Okay, let's hope and pray. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.